Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
So I wanted to tell you about the retreat we're going to have in Mayapur. It's going to be February 8th through 11th, 2020. We've been having these retreats every year. Over 100 devotees come. And it's a time for introspection, time to look at our life, time to look at our relationships. And in this retreat, we're going to continue where we left off last year. It doesn't matter if you weren't there. But we have many exercises that we didn't get to because the retreat is a lot about reflection, about who we are, what our potential is, where we're being blocked, anarthas that come up in our own lives and between one another and between us and Krishna. So I've titled this retreat, The Three Yogas: Relationship with Yourself, Relationship with Others, and Relationship with Krishna. All of these are extremely important because if we have an unhealthy relationship with ourselves, we tend to demean ourselves or not accept ourselves, or in some way we become our own enemy and we handicap ourselves. So it's very important to learn who we are, to acknowledge that, and then work from that platform in a more satisfied way without being envious or jealous of others, or even envious or jealous of our own selves. The obvious need to work with others is clear. It becomes an impediment if we don't work well together. And there are skills we can learn to develop better relationships, but there's also things we need to look at in ourselves that are causing us to harm our relationships with other people. So we're going to look at that not just relationship skills, but actually looking more at ourselves and how we contribute to bad relationships and how we can improve that, and just looking at the concept of cooperation and why it's so difficult, but why it's so important. And the last thing, the obvious thing, is we're going to look at our relationship with Krishna, but we're going to look at how these first two, our relationship with ourselves and our relationship with others, how that affects Krishna, because it's a synergistic thing. And we're going to take a look at perhaps some of our biggest resistances, things we don't really want to look at, that we really need to look at, that are very important, that we don't want to carry through our whole life, which we could deal with now. So it's going to be extremely beneficial for you. I really want you to come. I want to see you there. It's a great opportunity for those of you who want to spend more time with me. That's one of the reasons we do the retreat. I get invited to many places, but I can't go there all the time. But devotees can come and spend 4 full days, 8 hours a day, working on themselves, working on their relationship, and working on their relationship with Krishna. So I hope to see you there. It will be my honor to serve you and be with you. Hare Krishna.